Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, welcome to Wig Wednesday, and I will be reviewing a kinky, curly human hair half wig by NADULA. That's the box it came in. And it came with wig cap that I never wear. I think it's 2 in here. I don't even open them. And these eyelashes, yeah. I've seen a couple cashiers in Walmart wearing these type of lashes. And when we see somebody like that, me and Walter look at each other, and I do like this to him. And he cracks up. You know, we shouldn't be messing with folk, but for real, look at here. I guess you got to be very, very confident to wear these. Alright, well, it came with 2 headbands. I don't know why they don't give you plain or solid color headbands. So do I want to wear one of these today with what I got on? I'll wear this one. And I'll show you the wig. First I'm going to put this on. Try not to get makeup on it. That's why I always put the back part under my chin, just in case. This is the 14-inch Malaysian human hair half wig from NADULA. Now I have co-washed it, and I've been wearing this all week, for a little longer than a week. So, you know, human hair needs care, just like our own hair. It needs to be moisturized. So I'm going to show y'all how I rejuvenate this wig. Even though it still looks okay. And one day I made like 2-strand twists with some product, and I took it down and it looked good. So I'll be using the Shea Moisture Frizz Free Curl Mousse. I wonder if I should put it on first and then fix it. Let me tuck this braid. I don't ever cornrow my hair. I just comb it all back, braid it, or put it in a bun and put my wig on. I don't wear wig caps. And this is a half wig. So let me show you the inside. And I bought this from Amazon. I'll leave the link in my description box. Okay, there's a comb this size at the top, and comb the same size at the back, along with 2 adjustable straps. And it has this kind of wig cap, like a silky feeling wig cap. So I guess this fabric wouldn't be harsh on your hair. I don't know. Don't worry about it. And this is the weft. It's pretty thin. In case you want to have some leave out, your own hair left out, and you comb your own hair over it, it'd be pretty easy to blend. But I'm going to wear it as a half wig with a headband. So okay, put it right here, halfway my head. I usually have some bobby pins sitting here. I ain't got none. I'm pulling this back comb up under my tucked under braid. I need my bobby pins because I usually pull the sides close to my ear and pin them. But I ain't today. Put them close to the sides. I'm gonna pull the headband up. Try not to touch my face with the makeup with this light headband. So this is the headband that came with it. All my headbands, none of them match any of my clothes. Let me show y'all. Got a big old, look at all these headbands, y'all. But I bought some solid color ones. Here's another one that goes in the bag. I got a lot of thin ones. I get everything from Amazon. And I really like the jelly, the plastic headbands. Since I got so many of these type, I'm gonna start wearing them. And not care about what kind of print I got on. It's just okay to me. So let me rejuvenate this wig. It's just too light and bright. Comes out like this. All over my hand. Do one side at a time. And I don't spritz water on my hair, while I'm wearing it, because I don't want my shoulders all drippy. Water's gonna drip on my clothes, and I don't want that. Oh, it looks pretty while it's dripping wet. I can make it look pretty with this stuff. Once again, this is a 14-inch kinky curly. I'm thinking it's Malaysian hair, but who really knows where this hair come from? And I don't brush this hair while it's dry, because it'll get super bushy and I don't want that look. Yes, I'll just let my own hair go. Get these ends. Just working this mousse all the way through the hair without making it bushy. I do like a little lift. And putting that right in the top. Somebody commented on the hair that, somebody commented on one of my videos that they didn't see me review this hair and they've been looking for it. So this is it. So I think it looks better. It's rejuvenized. And this is the look I was going for. Let me turn around. So I hope all the white mousse is blended in. Right side. Back. And it feels secure with just these two combs holding it, but I still like my 2 combs at my 2 head. I still like my 2 bobby pins at each ear, 1 at each ear. So this is my kinky curly human hair half wig. And I used to only wear half wigs with headbands before the popular headband wigs came about. It's basically a half wig that has an attached headband. So this is a half wig, and I prefer a half wig to a headband wig. I just do. But the headband wigs are pretty nice, quick and easy. So I don't have a picture to show you, but it's by NADULA. NADULA. 100% virgin human hair, 14 inches. And I will leave the link in my description box. Came in this plastic. I don't leave human hair in plastic. I put it in like a thin silk-like bag. Okay. I'm gonna hold up. I ain't got no hair to show me. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye.